What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today because, as you can see, Baby Doge is still following on this downtrend, and there's definitely something important we got to talk about with this chart. Now, anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now let's go over this. So right now, what we're seeing here with Baby Dogecoin, we're coming at this line right here. We're about to cross it, which means that we're about to have another downtrend here in Baby Doge. This also means we're about to have another downtrend inside the overall crypto market. So it's definitely worth looking at. So right now, what you're seeing here at Bitcoin, we're at 50.7K right now. We tried to do some recovery. We had a big dip earlier, and then we just ended up having a large increase inside of price. Like, it's almost like the bulls don't want it to go down, but the bears are trying to take it down. So we're seeing some buybacks and some, selling pressure starting to stop inside the overall crypto market, but it's probably going to end up coming back. There's probably going to be another flash crash coming very soon. That's just what I'm predicting. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none is financial advice, but whatever happens for Bitcoin is also going to happen for Baby Dogecoin as well. So we got to go over this and make sure that we're prepared for what's about to happen. Now, I want to mention a few things here with Baby Doge. So you can see we're only down 0.2% in the last 24 hours. So we're actually doing very good for the last 24 hours. Lots of movement here, but we're still doing good. And then over here, you can see last 7 days, we're down 33%. Not too bad, not too shabby. Down 29% in the last 14 days, down 46% in the last 30 days. So that's still a good buying opportunity to get in because we're still 71% below our all-time high. So this is still a good buying opportunity with Baby Doge, in my personal opinion. We are losing some market cap, though. We're at $280 million market cap, 280.8 million. So right now with Baby Doge, that's definitely 283 million now. So yeah, we're losing market cap by the minute. But that's a good thing because it just gives us the opportunity to buy it while it's lower. It's a good thing for us long-term people because a lot of the people that are just trying to trade Baby Doge just to get rich, they're just trying to trade it just to get rich quick. Like, those people really aren't going to prevail with Baby Doge. They're not going to really do well. But us that are pretty much doing it for long term, we're going to be doing very well with Baby Doge, honestly. Like, I know personally, I'm going to be holding Baby Doge until I see at least $1 million. Now, when will that happen? I don't know. But Baby Doge is definitely going to hit a 50 billion market cap eventually in the future. When in the future, I don't know. It's definitely 100% possible for us to hit that in the future because once we get a huge fan base and once we get a lot of hype around us, that's going to happen. Just like how it happened with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu got a huge fan base, and then the FOMO hype got around it, and then that's when it just started taking off. So once we get the FOMO people coming in, just like, oh my gosh, Baby Doge is going to make me rich, 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 throw all their money in there, and then it's going to make everyone else's money go up. And I'm going to be completely honest, like, when you see astronomical gains, like you turn $10,000 to $1 million, I know everyone's going to tell you diamond hands to the moon, diamond hands, we're never selling. That's cool and all, but when you see 10,000 go to 1 million and you don't sell, then at that point it's just like, what's wrong with you? Like, you might as well sell some of the profits. Like, that is huge. Like, literally like $1 million off of $10,000. Like, that's exactly when you want to sell. And you don't have to sell all of it, just sell a good portion so you never have to work again. And you can just let your profits do what they do. So let's just say you put 10,000 in and it turns to $1 million once we get to 0.0001 or something. Like, once we get to 4 zeros, possibly 5 zeros. Well, when that happens, you don't just want to hold all of that money. Like, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But like, if you turn 10,000 to $1 million, you might as well sell 500K worth of Baby Doge and then keep 500K in there. Like, you already made a whole million off of $10,000. You might as well take some out and enjoy that money, enjoy the fruits of your labor. But you don't have to sell all the way out. So when you hear people talk about diamond hands and they're never selling, that's cap. I'm gonna call it right now. That's all cap. I'm definitely going to sell some when I see huge gains. Like, if I see 10,000 go to about $1 million, I'm definitely going to sell a good portion of that, a very good portion. So I just want to let you all know I got to be completely transparent because yes, I'm going to continue to hold Baby Doge for the long run. But when I see huge profits, like $1 million profits, that's when I start to take some money off the table and then leave a little bit inside of Baby Doge as well as enjoying the fruits of my labor. But anyways, I just wanted to explain that because we have some huge stuff that's going to happen for Baby Doge in the future. Like, this is the predicted price for us, 0.0000 0.01. So 5 zeros. So eventually we will get there. And I mean, just think about where we're at now. Like when you look at this, this is 8 zeros and then 1686. So let's just do some math here, right? Let's say you have $10,000 divided by 0.1234567 at 1686, and then boom, this is 5.9 trillion tokens. And then you take that 5.9 trillion tokens and you multiply it by your target price, which is 12345. And I believe over here on that should be anything that shows 7. So let's just say at the 710 area, you would have boom, $42.1 million off of $10,000. Now, that is definitely a very, very, very bullish look from there. But anyways, as we follow this downturn and we follow this trend line, we can definitely see that we're going to continue to follow it down to our support at 1260 if we have another random crash coming up inside of the crypto market. So if we see something else come up, like more FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, right, then we're definitely going to have something that leads us down to 1260, which is our next support. So definitely watch out for that support. Me personally, I'm going to buy the dip at that point. But I've been buying it like all along. I've been buying the dip here and there, and I'm going to continue to do that. But anyways, as we are watching this, I definitely believe it's going to come very soon. So definitely make sure you have some money set aside because we're about to cross this downtrend line right here, and this will probably end up leading us down a little bit higher or lower, not higher. But yeah, we're probably going to end up stopping right here at this area here. And when you can probably see it eventually hitting that area like right around here when it actually crosses that trend line. So let's move on from the technicals with Baby Dogecoin because we have a lot more going on than just technicals here. So next thing I do want to talk about here is our holders. Now we are at 1,029,622 people holding Baby Doge. That's a lot of holders right there. We're almost at 1.1 million holders. That's definitely really nice. I want to see that go bigger and bigger and bigger here inside the near future. So I'm definitely excited to see what we got going on there. But anyways, let's hit the refresh button and see where that is at. So yeah, now it's at 1,029,661. So we're still getting more people coming into Baby Dogecoin every single day with a bunch of money, lots of money. So I'm definitely happy to see that. Now, let's move on from this and talk about some of the other stuff we got going on here, especially with this whole Corvette thing. This is about to be huge, literally. So as you can see, Baby Dogecoin, someone is going to be walking away with a brand new Corvette Stingray. That is a lot of money right there, and 10 trillion Baby Doge. So you're going to be walking away with a brand new Corvette Stingray and 10 trillion Baby Doge. And I did the math. 10 trillion Baby Doge is a lot of money. It's like $20,000 right there. Or it's like almost $20,000, like 19 or something, but it's like 20,000. So that's a lot of money right there. So definitely shout out to whoever wins that. I want to see someone get this Corvette in that 20K. That's going to be really nice. I mean, you wouldn't even have to sell that Corvette at that price. You'll be living lovely off of that. So good stuff going on there. Now let's move on to the next thing with Baby Dogecoin though. So as you can see, Baby Doge is trending on CoinGecko. So shout out to everyone who makes it trend on CoinGecko. I'm always searching Baby Dogecoin every single day on CoinGecko. So I'm one of the people that helps Baby Doge get to the top of the CoinGecko trending because I definitely view this every single day on CoinGecko. So shout out to the Baby Doge people. No paper hands only over here, only diamond hands. Like I said, once you see huge gains, like $1 million gains, that's when you gotta have some paper in your hands. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing. This is what we got going on for Baby Dogecoin in the near future. So we got the wallet tracker coming out, or we already came out with the wallet tracker, And then we got the Ethereum bridge we already came out with, and then the NFT collection that is already made, and one NFT is already out. Now they're going to be releasing the rest of them progressively, so that's going to be big. We got the Baby Doge wallet. They're going to be doing this all next year. It's probably going to be during Q1 or Q2, but we're going to see this next year. It's definitely not going to happen inside of 2021. Definitely going to have to be 2022. But I would rather it be in 2022 as well, because with us going down in the crypto market, it wouldn't do as much justice to release something so big like this with such FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, right? But anyways, the Baby Doge wallet is going to be coming out very soon, and we're going to get the virtual and physical Baby Doge debit cards. I heard from someone that the Baby Doge wallet is going to be coming out sometime in like July, or not July, sometime in January for like people outside of the US, and then sometime in like February for the people in the US. So I don't know if that's true, but I heard that's how it's going to be going. So maybe it goes like that, maybe it doesn't, but I'm definitely going to be very excited to see how that goes exactly. Now, the virtual and physical Baby Doge debit cards, I don't know when those are coming out, but sometime next year, and then we're going to have the Baby Doge exchange. The biggest thing for Baby Doge is going to be the debit cards, the virtual and physical debit cards, and the Baby Doge exchange. These two things alone will send Baby Doge straight to the moon. Literally, they're two of the biggest things, mainly the exchange and the debit cards as well. So the Baby Doge wallet is good as well, but it just gives you another avenue of holding Baby Doge. But when you get the virtual physical debit cards, it gives you the opportunity to buy Baby Doge very easily. Same with the exchange. But the wallet also will help with buying Baby Doge, just not as easily as, with the debit cards and the exchange, because, the wallet will just connect to PancakeSwap like how any other wallet does. But yeah, then the Baby Doge arcade is going to be pretty big for Baby Doge. That's also going to be very good for us. So I'm definitely going to be excited to see what we got going on there with the arcade. It's going to be like a play to earn type game. And yeah, I don't know how it's going to be. Shiba Inu is making its own game. So hopefully Baby Doge can work with, maybe Shiba Inu on making a game. But anyways, we also got the NFT marketplace coming out, the Baby Doge NFT marketplace. So that's going to be good as well. And luckily we got Ethereum with us, the Ethereum bridge that we got over here. So that's definitely going to help with people doing payments through Ethereum with the NFTs. So yeah, we got a lot of good stuff going on for Baby Doge. Like that's a lot of stuff there. And then of course we got the price predictions that we already talked about. Now, shout out to Ultra243. Ultra243 always coming with the Baby Dogecoin knowledge. He came in and said $35,000 burned today and 2,310 holders. That's a lot of people. So looking over here at the actual Twitter post, you can see the actual burns and the actual holder change. So that's lots of people right there. That's a lot of money that got burned right there. That's about 40K. That's about 40K right there. Almost 40K, maybe like 38K, but still, that's a lot of money right there. So anyways, 35K. Nah. Anyways, moving on to the next thing. So next thing we got with Baby Dogecoin is the petitions. If you haven't signed them, definitely go ahead and go on to the Baby Doge Army Reddit. So that's all you got to type in, Baby Doge Army, as you can see right here. I'll highlight it for you all. Baby Doge Army, just like that. And you go to this Reddit, and then boom, you just go to the one that has Ultra243. So Ultra243, all of his posts here are highlighted because he is like, or he or she, whoever this person is like the top Baby Doge Army representative. So shout out to Ultra243 for that. This is big stuff for Baby Dogecoin, and Ultra243 is always helping out with Baby Doge. But anyways, you can see the petition here, 9,359 people holding, or not holding, 9,359 people signed this petition. So that's a lot of people right there who signed that petition. So anyways, moving on to this next thing though, nice ads for Baby Dogecoin. So Baby Dogecoin is now running ads on Dex Tools. Maybe someone is running the ads for them because they just want to see Baby Doge go to the moon, or maybe Baby Doge is running these ads himself. Either way, Baby Doge ads are playing. These banner ads are playing here on Dex Tools. So that's definitely really good for us. It's another avenue for us to continue to get new holders every single day. Anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over what we got going on. I want to let you know the 1260 support is coming very soon. The bears are in control of the 24-hour market control by 60%. So we're going to be seeing that 1260 support coming soon. So anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also, if you do want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.